Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated successor to Nikon's impressive Z8 camera, the Nikon Z8 II. In this video, we'll explore the potential updates and improvements Nikon could introduce with this model, focusing on areas where the Z8 excelled and where it left room for improvement. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what Nikon enthusiasts and professionals can look forward to with this exciting development. Battery performance. A major focus. The Nikon Z8 is celebrated as a high-performance camera, but its battery life often falls short for professionals who require extended shooting sessions. Many photographers carry multiple batteries to compensate, which can disrupt workflows and add bulk to their gear. The Z8 II has the potential to revolutionize battery performance by incorporating a larger battery or advanced energy management systems. Achieving this while maintaining the compact form factor of the Z8 will be a critical challenge for Nikon's engineering team. Balancing ergonomics and endurance will ensure the Z8 II becomes a trusted companion for demanding professionals. Thermal management enhancements. One of the Z8's known drawbacks is its thermal management. Prolonged use, especially during intensive video recording, can lead to overheating. For hybrid shooters who need uninterrupted performance, this is a significant concern. The Z8 II could address this with advanced heat dissipation mechanisms, improving cooling efficiency. These upgrades would not only prevent overheating but also enable longer video recording times, making the camera more versatile for professional applications. Enhanced thermal management could position the Z8 II as a reliable tool in a competitive market. Enhanced autofocus capabilities. The Z8 already offers impressive autofocus performance, but there's always room for refinement. The Z8 II could see improvements in eye detection accuracy and subject tracking, leveraging advanced AI-driven algorithms and face registration technology. These enhancements would be particularly beneficial for event and wedding photographers working in dynamic environments. Additionally, advanced animal and vehicle tracking features could broaden the camera's appeal across various photographic genres, from wildlife to sports photography. Flexible RAW resolution options. Many professionals have expressed a desire for reduced RAW resolution options to streamline their workflows. For instance, wedding and sports photographers would benefit from capturing 20 to 22 megapixel RAW files, which were available in older Nikon models like the Z6. Reintroducing this feature in the Z8 II would provide flexibility without compromising image quality. It would also help photographers manage storage more efficiently, reducing the need for excessive memory cards and hard drives. Advanced processing power. The Nikon Z8 II is expected to feature enhanced computational capabilities, translating to faster image processing, improved low-light performance, and more sophisticated autofocus algorithms. For hybrid shooters, advanced video capabilities will be crucial. Features like higher bit rates, expanded color profiles, and real-time in-camera effects such as filters and augmented reality overlays could set the Z8 II apart. These additions would cater to creative professionals seeking cutting-edge tools for their craft. Innovative video features. With hybrid cameras becoming the norm, the Z8 II could redefine video performance. Redundant video recording, allowing simultaneous backup footage, would be a game-changer for professional videographers. Even if limited to specific resolutions like 4K 10-bit, this feature would significantly enhance reliability. Improved audio recording options and live streaming capabilities could further broaden the camera's versatility, making it a go-to choice for content creators and filmmakers. Weight optimization. While the Nikon Z8 is powerful, its weight can be a concern for photographers who travel frequently or shoot for extended periods. Nikon could address this by designing a lighter body for the Z8 II without compromising durability or thermal management. A more portable design would appeal to adventure and travel photographers who prioritize mobility without sacrificing performance. Streamlined user experience. The Z8 II could elevate usability with enhanced customization options. Features like persistent release modes and expanded shooting bank settings would make the camera more intuitive for professionals. Additionally, faster wireless connectivity and seamless cloud integration would improve productivity on the go, making the Z8 II an invaluable tool for dynamic working environments. Timing and market position. The timing of the Z8 II's release will be critical. With competitors like Canon and Sony constantly innovating, Nikon must strategically position the Z8 II to maximize its market impact. A well-timed launch, coupled with compelling features and competitive pricing, could establish the Z8 II as a leader in the professional mirrorless camera market. Pre-launch teasers and demonstrations could generate excitement and build anticipation among photographers and videographers. Conclusion: the Nikon Z8 II promises to be a significant evolution of its predecessor, addressing key user feedback while pushing technological boundaries. From improved battery life and thermal management to enhanced autofocus and video capabilities, the Z8 II has the potential to redefine professional mirrorless photography. Nikon's ability to innovate and respond to market demands will determine the success of this model. By focusing on thoughtful refinements, Nikon can deliver a camera that meets the needs of today's professionals while paving the way for future advancements. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest insights into camera technology and innovation. Let's explore the future of photography together.